Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add source code in TradingView mobile application. Add import Pine script and in your mobile device. So to do, you can firstly click on the three dots in your bottom navigation bar. Once you tap here, you can scroll up and then at last you will see here a Pine editor. Now simple tap on it. Once you click on Pine editor, now it will open a window. Here you will see the Pine editor will be opened here. Now here you can add your own source code, which one you want. Okay. Then once you here, wait, I will delete all the yes code. Now I here add my own code. Then simple click on the save button to save my script. Now it will checking if here it will get any error. Then it will give you a error. So you can firstly fix it. If not, you can rename it and then click on save. So wait, yes, it will now ask me to set a name here. So I will set here first script, then click on save. And after click on save, you can publish it. So here you will see it will automatically published. Okay. So here is how you can easily here add your own Pine script. Okay. Once you again go here, now here you can see your own script. And now once you tap on it, here you will see the history about it. Your all added script like here first script, my the previous scripts, my indicator and my script. Okay. And here you can also open your script and then rename the script. And now you can go back, go to your indicators. So where is my indicator? And now here search the first script. So yes, here you will find the first script code. And now it will add it here. So here is how you can easily add your own source code in TradingView mobile application. Goodbye.